Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz, but sometimes people solve in a wrong way and get the wrong answer. So here we have the four answer. A is 11, B is 15, and C is 14, and D is 19. So we will solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the result, and we will see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Okay, now let's recall that what is the board marks and palm dance rule. So as you can see on the screen, B is the bracket in the board mask and P is the parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power, and if you have any power, so you have to solve after the bracket. After that, you have to solve the division and multiplication. You have to go in your expression left to right and find out division and multiplication first. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, like we have here 35 divided by 7 bracket 5 minus 2 minus 2. So according to the what mass, first you have to solve the bracket. So first we will solve this part. This part we will solve first. And other things we will write as it is. So here we will write this one, and this part 5 minus 2 equals to 3. And minus 4 we will write as it is. Here we will give the reference 5 minus 2 equals to 3. And now we will move forward. Sometimes we will say like we will solve this part, but we cannot solve now this part. We have to go left to right, left to right. Now, because we do not have any bracket, although this one the bracket, but this is not a bracket, we can write like this way, this part. And now we will move left to right and see, because we do not have any exponent part, so now we will see the division and multiplication. So we will go left to right and see the division first or multiplication. So here we have the division. So first we will divide this one, 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. Multiply by 3 and 4. Here we will write the reference 35, 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. Now we will move forward left to right again. And here we have 5 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 5 3 the 15. Minus 4 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 3 the 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. In the end, we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract these two terms and get the answer. So here we will get the answer is 11. So the answer of the given expression is 11. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very quickly and get the correct result. If you see the answer is, so answer is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.